Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We'll explain about present tense and past tense. Allow me to introduce the member of Group 4. My name is Ariska Walnurani as moderator with my study number is 101 and my partner is Eka Nur Afia with study number is 36 and Natali Suharto with study number is 87 and the last Yunia Dewi Cantika with study number is 112. Okay, let's continue to our discussion topic. Okay, in the first slide, I want to explain of definition present tense. According to the Oxford Learners Dictionary, the present tense is the form of a verb that expresses an action that is happening now or at the time of speaking. And the Cambridge Dictionary defines present tense as the form of the verb that is used to show what happened or exists now. In the second slide, I want to explain about type of present tense. Type of present tense divide into four parts. First type is a simple present tense. Definition of simple present tense is when the verb define or denotes an activity that is going on in the present time or is a regular event, then the verb is said to be in the simple present tense. Formula of the simple present tense: positive, subject plus verb 1, S or S plus complement. And the example, she drank a glass of coffee. Negative, subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. And the example, she does not drink a glass of coffee. And interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. And the example, does she drink a glass of coffee? And second type of present tense is present continuous tense. Is the form of tense that is used to denote an action that is ongoing or occurring in that current moment. It is also referred to as the present progressive tense as they represent the action that is progressing in the present. Formula of present continuous tense: positive, subject plus to be plus verb plus ing. And the example, I am reading a newspaper. Negative, subject plus to be plus not plus verb plus ing. And the example, I'm not reading a newspaper. Interrogative, to be plus subject plus verb ing. And the example, I am am I reading a newspaper? And last, negative interrogative, isn't or aren't plus subject plus verb plus ing. And the example, am I not reading a newspaper? And the next slide will explain with my partner.
Present perfect tense. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, the present perfect tense is defined as the form of the verb used for action or events that have been completed or have happened in a period of time up to now. Formula of the present perfect tense. The verbs positive, subject plus have or has plus past participle or verb 3. Example, she has finished her work. The second, negative, subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle or verb 3. Example, he has not finished this work. The third, interrogative, have or has plus subject plus past participle or verb 3. Example, have I finished my work? The fourth, negative interrogative, haven't or hasn't plus subject plus past participle or verb 3. Example, haven't they finished their work? Present perfect continuous tense. The Oxford Learner's Dictionary defines the present perfect continuous tense as a tense that is used to talk about an action or activity that started in the past and continues now or has only just stopped. Formula of the present perfect continuous tense. The first, positive. Subject plus have or has plus been plus present participle or ing. Example, I have been working on this project for a week. The second, negative. Subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus present participle or ing. Example, she has not been working on this project for a week. The third, interrogative. Have or has plus subject plus been plus present participle or ing. Example, have you been working on this project for a week? The fourth, negative, interrogative. Haven't or hasn't plus subject plus been plus present participle or ing. Example, hasn't he been working on this project for a week?
Okay, the next is definition past tense. The Oxford Learner's Dictionary defines the terms past tense as the form of a verb used to describe action in the past. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, the past tense form of the verb used to describe verb form in male language used for action that have now finished. Formula of past tense. For the first is positive is subject plus past tense form of the verb. For example, she sang a song. Number 2 is negative is subject plus did not or didn't plus base form of the verb. For example, she did not sing a song. Number 3 interrogative is did plus subject plus base form of the verb. For example, did she sing a song? Number 4 negative interrogative is didn't plus subject plus base form of the verb. For example, didn't she sing a song? Example of past tense. Marcel finished his speech. Did they go to the hospital? Nandini and Padmini were talking about you. Salim had found the case before his parents found out about it. Selena found out that Trinita had not been taking her medicines for the last few weeks. Didn't you know about his accident? Type of past tense. For the first is simple past tense, used to indicate an action or event that happened in the past. Structure of simple tense is subject plus verb plus ed or verb in the past tense plus the rest of the sentence. For example, Nathan met me at the park. Number 2, past continuous tense, used to depict an action or event that was continuing in the past. Structure of the past continuous tense is subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus ing plus the rest of the sentence. For example, it was raining.
Now we talk about past perfect tense. The past perfect tense, according to the Cambridge Dictionary, is defined as the form of a verb that is used to show that an action had already finished when another action happened. This is the formula of past perfect tense. In positive sentence, the formula is subject plus had plus past participle or verb 3. For example, she had completed her assignment before everyone else even started. In negative sentence, the formula is subject plus had plus not plus past participle or verb 3. For example, she had not completed her assignment. In interrogative, the formula is had plus subject plus past participle or verb 3. For example, had she completed her assignment before everyone else even started? In negative interrogative, the formula is hadn't or had not plus subject plus past participle or verb 3. For example, hadn't she completed her assignment before everyone else even started? Now we talk about past perfect continuous tense. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, the past perfect continuous tense is defined as a tense that refers to actions or events which started before a particular time in the past and were still in progress up to that time in the past. This is the formula of past perfect continuous tense. In positive tense, the formula is subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. For example, I had been cooking my mom's favorite dish when she walked into the kitchen. In negative, the formula is subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing. For example, I had not been cooking my mom's favorite dish when she walked into the kitchen. In interrogative, the formula is had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. For example, had I been cooking my mom's favorite dish when she walked into the kitchen. In negative interrogative, the formula is hadn't or had not plus subject plus been plus verb ing. For example, hadn't I been cooking my mom's favorite dish when she walked into the kitchen.